Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video lecture series, we are learning a plane scale problem and how to construct a plane scale problem. So for further practice, let's solve one more problem related to the plane scale. So 1 square centimeter area on a map represent an actual area of 16 square kilometer on a field. Construct a plane scale to read up to a single kilometer and mark on it a distance of 57 kilometer. So we know the formula for RF in case of area, isn't it? So in case of two-dimensional area, RF is equivalent to under root of area on the drawing divided by actual area of the object, right? So that is our RF, area on the drawing divided by actual area of the object. Area on the drawing is 1 centimeter square, while actual area of the object is 16 kilometers square. So if we simplify this, we will get our RF 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to 5, right? Maximum distance to be measured over here is 57 kilometer. So we can slightly select a higher measurement than this, higher distance than 57. So let's select 60 kilometer. So our maximum distance to be measured is 60 kilometer because this is an odd number, isn't it? So we can select a slightly higher than, our scale should be able to measure maximum distance of 57. So if we prepare our scale that can measure 60 kilometer, then automatically it will measure 57 kilometer length, right? So maximum distance to be measured is a 60 kilometer. Then length of scale RF into maximum distance to be measured 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to 5 into 60 kilometer, convert kilometer into millimeter. So we will get 150 millimeter. So this is our length of scale. Now let's draw a rectangle having the length equal to 150 millimeter. Now maximum distance to be measured is a 60 kilometer. So we have to divide 150 length into 6 equal parts. So let's divide that, and each part will be of 10 kilometer, isn't it? So let's divide it into 6 equal parts. So 150 divided by 6, 25 each, that we can easily divide using scale. So 25 millimeter each. Now at the end of the first division, put a 0 over here, and right hand side of the 0, our larger unit, that is kilometer, in terms of 10, 20, 30, 40, isn't it? Because maximum distance is 60. So 0, then put 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And on the left hand side of the 0, put 10. This is also indicated in kilometer, but this is in terms of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? Now this length is a 25 millimeter, so we cannot divide the 25 millimeter using scale. So we have to do that method, general method. Using that, we can divide any length into equal number of parts. So you just slightly draw an inclined line, then select a dimension that will be easily divided into 10 equal parts, and join the end of both the line, and then draw a parallel line parallel to this end line using roller scale, and project this point over here. So this way we can divide 25 millimeter length into 10 equal parts. Give some numbering: 2, 4, 6 and 8. Mention the RF below our scale. This is our complete scale. Now on this scale we have to represent 57 kilometer. So 57 kilometer consists of 50 plus 7. So here maximum distance is 50 kilometer is over here, and 7 kilometer is over here. So extend that vertical end line and then join with the dimension line. So this indicates 57 kilometer. I hope you understand the concept. Here is a practice time for you. A 3 centimeter long line represents a length of 4.5 meters. Extend this line to measure up to 30 meters, and so on it units of meter and 5 meter. so the length of 22 meters on this line. Uh, while preparing this problem, if you face any difficulty, do comment in the comment section. And to view such a more content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.